Guys, welcome back to today's video, and today I'm going to tell you how to make an animated subscribe button. So let's start. So go and select the animated subscribe button link in the description in Patreon link. And guys, I am also a Filmora partner, so you can expect more from me. So guys, what you have to do is just take this, then take your um, channel or any channel or profile picture photo, then make it according to the size of this square. After doing this, keep the animated button above this unnamed profile picture, your profile picture. Then go to show properties, then go to like composing, blending mode to screen, then okay, and your logo will come. Now go to text, go to downloads, then select 6 and go and select basic 6. Then what you have to do is edit it and name it your channel. Then smaller it and do it according to your size. Change the color to black. So guys, my channel name is so big, that's why it's coming like this. Uh, like this. After doing this, copy this basic 6, paste it again, and it will come here. Click on it, edit it as join my channel. After doing this, adjust it to just like this. Guys, just like this. Then do it bold, italic, everything, and it's just okay. So guys, this was a small tutorial on how to make a subscribe button in Filmora 10. Thanks for watching.